Hello everyone, this is Adam Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Bambino. Came into the shop because it wasn't completing any espresso shots. The pump would run a little bit and then it would throw an error, flash some lights, and then turn off. It would never actually complete the shot. That ended up being a flow meter error. There's some corrosion damage on this flow meter and some damage on the connector itself. That was causing the flow meter malfunction. The computer didn't know how much water it was dispensing. It was throwing the error and quitting. So we ended up replacing the flow meter and the connector that connected to it, and we're able to get a shot out. We don't calibrate our coffee for this, so if it might be a little runny, that's to be expected. This is just showing that it's going to run for the expected amount of time and dispense the right amount of liquid. It did turn out to be a little runny, but here it is. That seems right. Alright, thank you for watching.